Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a tips and tricks video for people that have upgraded to version 1809. That's the October 2018 update, and don't have the dark themed file explorer. So first of all, make sure you're at version 1809. It's very important because a lot of people say, hey, I don't have it. Yeah, you're not at October 2018 update. How do you know it? Simply click on the search for Cortana and type WinVer. Here, you can click. It should tell you version 1809, 17763. Basically, that means, okay, you are at version 1809. You are the October 2018 update. But you click the File Explorer, and it doesn't follow your dark theme within Windows. How do you fix this? Simply go into your settings in Windows 10. Here, go to personalization. In the personalization, you will go into colors. And at the bottom, you will have choose your default app mode, light or dark. So if you are on the dark theme, it of course will be dark here, but your File Explorer, if it's not dark, all you got to do is switch back to light theme and then switch back to dark theme. Simply do a switch. Once that is done, normally when you go back to your File Explorer, it should be dark. It's some kind of flaw that happens. Some people get upgraded, but for a unknown issue or bug somewhere, it just doesn't apply it even though you're already in the dark theme. So once again, simply go to the Settings app, go into Personalization, go into Colors. And if you don't have a File Explorer dark theme or any other app that could have dark theme and it's not applied, make sure that you go to light theme, put it back light. And once that is done, put it back to dark. And basically, things should be okay. And if you look at your File Explorer, it should be dark. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.